Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair your Bose Smart Soundbar 300 with Android app. It also should work the same way on iPhone. So first let's download the Bose Music app, and we've shown you how to do that in our other video, so check it out if you need help with that. Now let's open the Bose Music app. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is enabled. You can also directly go to your Wi-Fi on a smartphone and find Bose Smart Soundbar and connect to it. Next, let's go back to the app. Here, click on the plus to set up new product, then continue. Here, it should start connecting to the soundbar. Now we need to change the Wi-Fi right here, so go for the Wi-Fi that you own and simply enter the password right here. So here we have it. Continue to set up. So after a bit of waiting, it was about 5 minutes. I probably cut it out or speed it up. We should see that the update is preparing, and this means there's a software update downloaded on this device, so we also need to wait for that process to happen. So now the update is done. We probably cut the footage because it took about 15 minutes. And if you're setting it up also like this, simply wait about 15 minutes as it takes time. Here, click on Finish Setup, and the product should be activated. And right here you can name your device for a specific room, for example. Let's go with a bedroom. Click Save. Allow others to add bathroom to their account, as right now it's the name of this soundbar. Let's say yes. You can add any music services if you want. I'm gonna skip it right now. Click place your soundbar and then click on next. You can connect it to the TV screen using HDMI, but be sure that you're connecting it to the ARC source. Now I don't have, or actually let's go with next, do it later. I don't want that. Let's continue, I guess. Click on Get Started, and the device is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.